Hello guys, it's Jack from Jack Automotive Center Australia again. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off the engine lights. So this is the engine lights, the orange one, as you can see clear. And what you can do, you turn off the car. Then we come to disconnect one of the battery terminal. Okay, so you just leave it here for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes. But before that, the car was missing, so I changed the spark plugs and one of the ignition coil. So this is the ignition coil, and it was not working, and the spark plugs is very dirty. So this one not changed for maybe a couple of years. It's so dirty. The tree front was okay, the tree back was very dirty. So this is the tree front, this one is very clear and clean, and this is from the back side, it's very dirty. The car was missing, so when you're driving like 60 or 70 and it was misfiring, shaking, not driving. So now I change the 3 spark plugs in the back, one of the ignition coil, 3 spark plugs in the front here. So I just want to reset the engine light, have to disconnect the battery for a couple of minutes or seconds, and then we just connect the battery again, and then see if the check engine light come, if it's turned off. Okay. So now we start, the light is off. Thank you.